last video, my last upload, I'm now in Zeeland, which is in the south of Holland. I thought this was a map to show where it was, but it's not. I'm here with my mom, my sister. We're just here for a couple of days. It was my mom's idea, and yeah, we're just gonna chill out and see the area. We're like down south. It's like one of the island areas of Holland. So that's where I'm at. And I brought my bike with me, so I'm gonna go and practice that a little bit more whilst I'm here. My mom and sister just went to go hire a couple of bikes themselves. So yeah, I think we're just gonna cycle around and see what's up.
Whoa.
Thank you. Over here you can eat for the restroom behind. Okay, thanks.
There's some kind of party bus or something, like right there. No idea what's going on.
Hannah. Right. Let me just go.
We got back from the little cycle that we went on. We just chilled out for a little while, let our clothes dry a bit, and now we are driving to the next town. It's called Middelburg. I think I mentioned it earlier, I can't remember. But yeah, so that's what's happening now.
See, the plan for today was to go ride BMX for a while. But Mother Nature didn't like that plan. So I think something else to do. My lens is really dirty. We're leaving today. It is the last day, but I was hoping to get something going on before we had to take off. My mom and sister went to the indoor pool. I think they're heading back right now. We're supposed to check out at 10 and it's about 12 or something now. So today's not going to be much of an outdoor day, which sucks.
Oh.